Today we're going to talk about adding an assignment on Google Classroom. After you have logged into Google Classroom and selected the class you would like to add it to, if you go down here to the plus button, you can create an announcement, create an assignment, create a question, or reuse a post. We're going to create an assignment. And I'm going to give this a title, pretest. You can add instructions such as take the quiz and then work on your puzzle. I can give it a due date if the kids are not doing it in class. Maybe I want it to be due in a couple days. They have a couple days to do it at home. And then I can select a topic. In this particular classroom, I have equations and integers already created. Let's do this one over integers. Now, I have already created in my Google Drive a form that is my quiz, and it is in my recent. If you cannot find it there, you can go to my drive, and you should have everything that you have created in your drive. I selected that. Because I'm using it as a quiz, I can use grade importing, which means it will do it all for me and put scores in for the students. And I will just go and assign. And now we have posted it to Google Classroom.